Looking for the ultimate kitchen helper? The best food processor for nut butter effortlessly blends nuts into creamy spreads, saving time and effort. With powerful motors and versatile attachments, it turns your favorite nuts into smooth, delicious butter every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Food Processor for Nut Butter. The Hamilton Beach Food Processor is a versatile and compact appliance designed for anyone who enjoys preparing fresh nut butter, sauces, dips, or small meal components at home. Its standout feature is the innovative stack and press design, which eliminates complicated assembly and ensures ease of use. Simply place the lid on the bowl, press down to start chopping, and release to stop. This intuitive mechanism makes it ideal for busy kitchens or for those who prefer a straightforward, no-fuss approach to food preparation. The 3-cup capacity is perfectly suited for daily cooking needs, allowing users to chop and mix ingredients for small batches of hummus, salad dressings, or baby food, while remaining small enough to fit conveniently in kitchen cabinets or on the counter. Its stainless steel blades are durable and capable of effortlessly handling onions, carrots, nuts, and other hard or fibrous ingredients, while the built-in oil dispenser on the lid simplifies emulsifying dressings and sauces. Powered by a 350-watt motor, this food processor provides enough strength to handle tough ingredients without overworking the machine. Cleaning is also a breeze as the bowl lid and blades are all dishwasher safe, saving time and effort after use. Whether you are a beginner in the kitchen or an experienced home cook, the Hamilton Beach Food Processor is designed to make food preparation quick, convenient, and efficient. Its combination of user-friendly design, reliable performance, and easy maintenance makes it an excellent choice for everyday tasks like making nut butter, chopping vegetables, or preparing small portions of sauces and dips, providing consistent results with minimal effort. Number 2. Ninja Food Processor for Nut Butter. The Ninja Food Processor offers exceptional performance and versatility, making it a top choice for anyone who frequently prepares nut butter, dough, or large batches of food at home. It is equipped with a powerful 1000 peak watt motor, which can effortlessly handle tough ingredients like almonds, cashews, carrots, or frozen vegetables, delivering smooth and consistent results every time. One of its most impressive features is the Auto IQ technology, which provides for intelligent preset programs that take the guesswork out of food preparation. These one-touch settings allow users to chop, slice, puree, or mix dough with minimal effort, ensuring professional quality results without the need for manual adjustments. The 9-cup bowl is perfect for large families or meal prepping for the week, allowing for generous batches of nut butter, dips, and sauces, and significantly reducing the need for repeated processing. Ninja has also included precision stainless steel blades designed to evenly chop, slice, and puree ingredients, maintaining optimal texture and consistency. For baking enthusiasts, the dough blade is a welcome addition, simplifying the process of mixing bread, pizza, or pastry dough. Cleanup is equally convenient, as all removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, saving time in the kitchen. Number 3. Cuisinart Food Processor for Nut Butter. The Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor is an ideal appliance for those seeking a compact, efficient, and reliable solution for everyday food preparation. Featuring a 250-watt motor, this mini food processor is designed to handle small to medium-sized tasks such as chopping herbs, dicing vegetables, grinding hard cheeses, or making fresh nut butter. Its standout feature is the patented reversible stainless steel blade, which allows for both chopping and grinding, providing versatility in a small footprint. The 24-ounce work bowl is perfectly sized for single meals or smaller portions, offering convenience without taking up much counter space. Users will appreciate the intuitive push-button control system, which allows for easy operation, and the auto-reversing smart power blade ensures effective chopping and grinding for consistent results. The lightweight yet durable plastic construction makes it easy to handle and store, while the dishwasher-safe bowl and lids simplify cleanup, ensuring minimal effort after cooking. This mini chopper also comes complete with a stainless steel blade, a spatula, and a helpful instruction and recipe book, providing everything needed to get started immediately. While it is compact and less powerful than full-size processors, it excels in performing daily kitchen tasks with precision and efficiency. Its BPA-free design ensures safety, and the included 18-month limited warranty adds peace of mind for consumers. Overall, the Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus food processor is an excellent choice for individuals, couples, or small households seeking a dependable, easy-to-use, and space-saving appliance for chopping, grinding, and creating smooth nut butter, sauces, or dips in a convenient, hassle-free manner. Number 4. Cuisinart DFP 14 BCNY food processor for nut butter. The Cuisinart DFP 14 BCNY food processor is a powerhouse appliance designed for serious home cooks and kitchen enthusiasts. Its 720-watt motor provides robust performance, capable of handling a wide variety of food preparation tasks from chopping vegetables to blending soups and pureeing sauces. The 14-cup capacity makes it ideal for large batches, whether you're preparing meals for a family gathering, hosting a dinner party, or meal prepping for the week. The processor comes with a range of must-have features, including on- and off/pulse buttons, an extra-large feed tube, and a bowl sleeve assembly that accommodates both small and large feed tube pushers. This design makes it simple to add ingredients during processing without stopping the machine. Included accessories such as the stainless steel slicing disc, medium shredding disc, and chopping/mixing blade expand its versatility, allowing users to create a variety of textures, from thinly sliced vegetables to finely shredded cheese or smooth nut butter. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless and convenient. While the shredding and slicing blades are not adjustable, the processor is engineered to provide consistent, high-quality results when used according to the manual. Whether you're making hummus, guacamole, salsa, or fresh nut butter, the Cuisinart DFP 14 BCNY delivers professional quality performance at home. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER food processor for nut butter. The BLACK+DECKER food processor is designed to offer a combination of performance, convenience, and user-friendly design, making it a practical choice for home cooks who enjoy preparing nut butter, salsas, dips, and more. Assembly is simple and intuitive, with the work bowl sitting securely on the base and the lid doubling as the locking mechanism, eliminating the frustration of complicated setups. Its generous 8-cup capacity provides ample room for larger batches, which is especially useful when preparing nut butter or chopping ingredients for multiple meals. The stainless steel S-blade ensures efficient chopping and mixing, providing consistent results every time, while the reversible slice/shred disc adds versatility by enabling quick slicing of vegetables or shredding cheese without extra effort. The processor's 450-watt motor delivers sufficient power to handle a variety of tasks, from mixing hummus to chopping hard vegetables or nuts. Control is straightforward with the easy clean touchpad controls, which feature low, high, and pulse settings, allowing users to adjust speed and processing intensity according to the recipe. The combination of a thoughtful design, powerful motor, and versatile blades ensures that the BLACK+DECKER food processor is capable of handling a wide range of kitchen tasks efficiently. Cleanup is simplified, and the appliance's durable construction ensures long-term use. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.